celebration. Once again, John Matey, Palestine. For this year's staff, fourth honorable mention, Virgin Rock Group of Performing Arts, YesO Club, Red Cross Youth Valenzuela and Jeep Club. News contributor of Stephen Dalumas official school paper of Mapulang Lupa National High School. News editor of Red Pen, Atomos, and East Green, the official newsletter of Mapulang Lupa National High School. She actively involved and won in various competitions and trainings such as Bugtong Challenge, Electronic Christmas Card Making, E-Cuento, Speech Choir, News Writing Division Press Conference 2011, Induct Pinoy, Pinoy Medley, Cleanup Drive, Cleanliness Awareness Campaign, Leadership Training, Takbo ni Pepe, and Red Cross Fun Run. This year's Montrach in district level and second place in division level and achieved the overall champion and district-wide GFP Valenzuela. Engaged in some activities in and out of school, speech choir, Induct Pinoy, Pinoy Medley, Red Cross Fun Run, tree planting, cleanup drive, dengue and local awareness campaign 2011 at Mapulang Lupa National High School. Ladies and gentlemen, another academic achievement of performing arts, one of the actresses of MLGPA won championship award on the National Biotechnology One Act Play competition, engaged in various competitions in and out of school such as Alay Laka, Takbo ni Pepe, and 35th National Milo Marathon. Once again, Angeline Tongko. And for this year's first honorable mention, out of school, such as Tag-Isa ng Talino, Christmas Card Making Contest, AP Quiz B, Alay Lakad, Takbo ni Pepe, and 35th National Milo Marathon. Let us proceed for this year's class salutatorian. Angela R. Natarte. President of the unions in and out of the school, such as pagsulat ng maikling kwento, 3rd place in division level, electronic poster making, 3rd place in division level, and 35th National Milo Marathon. An active contender in the division press conference and T. Valencia Cup, search for outstanding writers and reading proficiency. How about a big hand for our last salutatorian, Angela R. Club, 3rd place winner of the first BSP DepEd on-the-spot essay writing contest in division level, participant of the 27th Theodore F. Valencia Cup, search for 10 most outstanding campus journalists in regional level. 4th-year participant of the Team Valenzuela in the 11th Panahilong Patimpalak sa maunawang pagpasa and participant in the Araling Panlipunan Quiz Bee in division level. Champion of the Inner Real Club of the Philippines Incorporated Ahoy Filipino Contest, participant in the 11th Tag-Isa ng Talino sponsored by Councilor Cesar Minayo, engaged herself in various trainings and activities in and out of school, such as Division Press Conference 2011, Alay Lakad 2011, Red Cross Volunteer Run, and Pandayan Leadership Medal. Once again, congratulations, La Army A. Lamborghini.
Francisco, Barangay Councilor Neneng Bengano, to our beloved Principal, Mr. Melton P. Urbano, teachers, proud parents, and most especially to my beloved fellow graduates, a truly blessed morning to each one of us. Today marks another unforgettable chapter in all our lives as we came up to a point of achieving the rewards to all of our sacrifices. That's why, on behalf of my fellow graduates, let me take this chance in this momentous occasion to acknowledge and to thank all of those people who have been part of our 4 wonderful years within the corners of our beloved alma mater, Mapulan Lupa National High School. To the man behind our school success, our ever-supportive Principal, Mr. Melton P. Urbano, we would like to extend our sincerest gratitude for your tireless exertions to inspire us every day so that we may travel along the right track towards the achievements of all our dreams. We will never forget the emotions that came out of your aura whenever you say, "Hindi na ninyo kasalanan dahil pinanganak man kayong mahirap. Ngunit, kasalanan na ninyo kung mamamatay kayong dilatang inyong mga mata dahil nanatili kayong mahirap." We will never forget your face whenever you say that, while discussing to us that every day we are all given the chance to change our lives, and that hindrances, and that poverty shall not be a hindrance for us to succeed in life. To our responsible teachers who serve as our second parents, we would like to thank you for all of the knowledge, not only for academic purposes, but also for the knowledge of real life.
Our Lupa National High School batch 2012 will be going off today victorious. But before achieving such honors and before standing where I am right now, I have also encountered my personal trials and hardships. On February 13, 2008, it was supposed to be one of my happiest days because it was my 13th birthday. But then again, it didn't happen. It's hard for me to see the most special woman of my life having all of our burdens. Just try to imagine if a house could accommodate 7 people, if its size is just as big as the women's comfort room of our school. It's hard for me to see my family transferring into a new house because we are not able to pay our monthly house rental. That's why, let me take this chance to present to you the most special woman of my life. She's none other than my mother, Mrs. Susan Lamoria. Please, long live the Filipino youth and long live Mapulan Lupa National High School.
I pledge to uphold the name of my alma mater, to do the best of my ability, to contribute for the welfare and upliftment of my school.